Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can close all open tabs in the Zen web browser at once. So let us dive into this. So guys, as you can see, I'm in the Zen web browser here in that window, and you will see the tab list here on the left hand side. So there are two ways. You may click into one of these X buttons here next to the given tab. However guys, if you have a list with, I don't know, multiple tabs open, doing this might take some time. So there is that clear button here at the top that is going to allow you to close all unpinned tabs. So if you have pinned one of these tabs, for instance, you will do this separately for that one, unpin it first, and then click into this button to clear basically your entire list here and to be get redirected to the new tab option here, so that you may create a new tab by using the shortcut Ctrl+T or by clicking into that button. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.